Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials: a keyboard, mouse, and optionally an external SSD. Connect them now via USB or pair through Bluetooth. This gives you true desktop control. Once connected, make sure your Android TV firmware is current and you have free storage for apps and files. Enable developer options and USB debugging so you can sideload apps and use ADB when necessary. These steps unlock the permissions and input methods you need to turn the TV into a PC-like workstation. Next, you install the tools that make a TV act like a PC. Sideload a capable file manager, a Chromium-based browser, and an Office app. Use ADB or a USB drive if the Play Store blocks installs. Then replace the launcher with one that supports multi-window or a desktop grid, and configure display scaling so text isn't huge on a 55-inch panel. Once done, map keyboard shortcuts, set the default input method to your keyboard, and enable multi-window behavior for simultaneous apps. Finish by integrating cloud storage and a remote desktop or VNC client so files and apps feel native. Configure power and sleep settings to prevent interruptions and set key apps to auto-start. Test audio, video, and input responsiveness. Make sure your mouse pointer speed and keyboard layout match your preference. If something breaks, check physical connections first, then app permissions and developer options. If the launcher causes instability, revert to the previous launcher and reinstall carefully to restore a stable, PC-like experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.